Okay, let's consider number 20 on our list, which is quackery. Quackery, we are not saying that somebody doesn't know what he's doing, but it's very important to get the right training, get the right mentorship, get the right experience. Most times, experience is the best teacher. That is the reason most times I will tell you that our installation can't fail because we have gotten enough experience in the industry. So let's not dwell much on quackery. If you know that uh, you are you still need help, please seek for help. Wrong component matching. Component matching is how do I connect? I have a 12 volt inverter. What is the size of solar panel I should use? What is the size of charge controller I should use? What about the battery? Okay, I have 24-volt inverter. What size? And I have like two solar battery. How many solar panels should I use and their ratings? So if you don't properly understand this and you start connecting the components will malfunction. That is wrong component matching. Then the next thing on our list is not knowing how to write professional quotation for any solar installation project. Some people will get a contract at the end of the day, they run and leave that contract. Why? Maybe sometimes the cost. Most times when we look at some people quotation, we wonder how are they going to manipulate their way, or are they buying fake products? In fact, how are they going to manipulate their way to install this? Because we know to go for a good material in the market, we know how much it costs. So when you are writing quotation, you need to professionally know how to select material. Don't be afraid to tell the customer a high price. They say better thing na money killer. So don't write quotation so that the client will give you the job. No, when the system fail, the client will still blame you. Instead, do one installation and that one installation will um, spread your name, will let your name go viral because of just one installation than doing three installations at the end of the day, all the installation will fail. What do you think? The client will not understand that the money you collected cannot afford a quality product. So if you don't know how to write quotation, there is going to be problem. Sometimes some people will install system, they end up going to the bank to withdraw their money to come and complete the project. It is not fair. It is not fair. So the next thing we have on our list here is not putting protective mechanism during solar system installation. Sometimes because of wrong quotation you wrote for a client, you don't have money to buy protective mechanism to put on the installation. You follow our installation, the one we are doing, you see the systems are properly protected. The systems are properly protected against thunder strike and everything, panel, all those abnormal current voltage, and we have to take time to protect the system. So not putting protective mechanism during solar system installation is another challenge we have in the solar industry, and this tends to affect the performance or the durability of the solar system installation. Another reason why solar system installation fail, the 23 reason why we have solar system installation, very important, is not earthing the solar building and the solar pump. Not earthing the solar building and the solar component. You have to check. We talked about earthing when we were deliberating power audit, that you have to test for earthing of the building. And earthing is a different concept. It's a separate course in a coursework. So if you want to understand earthing, you have to DM us. We'll take you by your hand and teach you how to professionally earth components and the building, how to test for earthing and everything surrounding earthing. So not earthing the solar building and the solar component is another reason why we have solar system failures.